Today, I'll show you how to install Microsoft Store on Windows 11. First, right-click the Start button. Select Windows Terminal as Administrator or PowerShell as Administrator. When the window opens, copy the command from the description of this video. Paste it into the window and press Enter. After running the command, Microsoft Store will be installed automatically. When the process finishes, open the Start menu. Search for Microsoft Store. As you can see in the video, Microsoft Store now appears in the search results. Click on it to open the Microsoft Store. This confirms that the installation was successful. If you get an error while running the first command, use the second command provided in the description. Paste it and press Enter. When I run the second command, you may notice multiple error messages. This is normal and expected. The second command reinstalls all default Windows apps. Since Microsoft Store is already installed on my system, Windows tries to reinstall apps that already exist. Because of that, it shows several errors. These errors do not mean the process failed. They simply indicate that some apps were already present. As you can see, Microsoft Store still installs correctly and opens without any issue. Once everything is complete, restart your computer for best results. After restarting, you can open Microsoft Store normally and sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. That's how you install Microsoft Store on Windows 11.